Surat At-Takathur, chapter of emulation. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate. Emulation occupies you until you visit the tombs. Nay, but ye shall know. And again, nay, but ye shall know. Nay, but if ye knew with the knowledge of certainty, ye would see the hot place, then ye would assuredly see it with the eye of certainty. Then that day you will ask about what is pleasant. Now we have disbelief, belief, faith, and knowledge, and as the response, and based on how much evidence there is, right? But wanting to be like other people and competing for mere material things ends up, being the problem. One of the main problems in society.